Hello, I am back here with another topic. We know sometimes we feel very weak, lethargic, we feel that we don't have any strength. So, today we are going to know about hypos or hypoglycemia. It is a condition in which there will be low glucose level in the blood, that is less than 4 millimoles per liter. What happens to the body when there is less glucose in the body? The body will be not able to produce enough energy to do it with the body functions or routine activities. So how we will identify hypoglycemia? Let us see the early signs of hypoglycemia. The person with hypoglycemia may feel hungry, sweating will be there, he may look pale, trembling will be there, as well as he will be anxious, irritability will be there, and palpitation will be there, and tingling of the lips will be there. So this is how you can find out whether you are hypoglycemic or not. In severe conditions, the people may be in a confused state, as well as they may not able to concentrate, as well as there will be disorderly or irrational behavior we can see in the people. Okay, so what are the causes of hypoglycemia? We can see the causes of hypoglycemia with diabetic patient and without diabetic patient is different. So let us see what are the causes in those persons who are diabetic. The main cause of hypoglycemia in diabetic persons is overdose of medication which they are taking for diabetics. Another thing is that the exercise, the food and the habits of the person. So if they delay the food, or if they skip the meal, or even if they not take enough carbohydrate diet, there is a chance for hypoglycemia in them. And though if those diabetic people, if they do exercise more than usual, there is a chance for hypoglycemia. And if diabetic persons take alcohol in empty stomach without taking any food, they may go to hypoglycemic conditions. And in non-diabetic patients, there is a condition called reactive hypoglycemia. In this, what happens? The body will produce excess of insulin. So what happened? More and more energy will be produced by utilizing the glucose. So what happened? Automatically the glucose level in the blood will reduce. This is commonly seen in persons with overweight, as well as type 2 diabetic patients, as well as those who are having tumor in pancreas. Other than this, we can see hypoglycemia in persons who take fasting, as well as who are undernourished, and also seen in persons with Addison disease, as well as some medications will also lead to hypoglycemia. Example like quinine, which we take for malaria, salicylates, and drugs which you take for high blood pressure like propanol. Other than this, some disease conditions are also there which may lead to hypoglycemia, like disease of liver, kidney, thyroid gland, and it is also seen commonly in cancerous patients. Then how we will diagnose the hypoglycemia? If you have the signs, early signs of hypoglycemia, it is best to meet the doctor, you consult the doctor or your general practitioner, and he may rule out it through doing a blood test for glucose. Next, let us see how we can treat this. What is the immediate treatment if you feel you are hypoglycemic? Immediately you should take some sugary food or drinks like fruit juice, sugar cubes, or glucose sweets. This can be followed by long-acting carbohydrate foods like sandwich, biscuits, cereals, etc. Then, what you will do if a client, other than this, you can also use some glucose gels or honey or jam. you can apply inside the mouth, in the cheek, and gently rub outside the cheek in that area. So this will help to easily absorption of the glucose in your body, and it may increase the glucose level also. And what is the treatment for unconscious patient? In an unconscious patient, we should make the patient comfortable, a person comfortable, place him in a recovery position, and if the doctor has ordered prescribed any injections for emergency, that can be administered. We should be very conscious that we should not give anything to drink or eat for an unconscious patient. That is, we should not put anything in his mouth, any liquid or any solid foods, to prevent choking. Then, how we can prevent this condition? The best thing is, if you feel you are risk for hypoglycemic, you should have regular glucose test, checkup on regular basis. Another thing is that you should never skip any meals, take effective carbohydrate foods as per required, better consult a dietitian to plan your diet, as well as those who are doing exercise, that is before exercise and after exercise, you should take carbohydrate rich diet. Other than this, limit alcohol, and the main thing is that you should know to recognize the sign and symptoms of hypoglycemia, as well as you should be prepared to deal with the situation. And if you are risk for hypoglycemia, better you should carry a identification card indicating that you are risk for hypoglycemia, as well as you can inform to your friends as well as relative about your condition, so that they can be conscious and help you in emergency. Hope you are clear with this condition, hypoglycemia. So I would like to sign out by saying that in this lockdown of COVID-19, be safe and keep your family safe. If you protect yourself, you can protect others. Maintain proper hygiene. I'll come with next topic very soon. Thank you for now. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you.